Hi children, welcome to mathematics class. On last class, we discussed about the topics vertically opposite angles. When two lines cross each other, we have two pairs of opposite angles. They are called vertically opposite angles. In this video, we are going to discussing the following topics. First one, intersecting lines and parallel lines. Second one, transversal. At first, we are going to learn intersecting lines and parallel lines. Let us learn what are intersecting lines. A word intersect means meet. Two intersecting lines meet at exactly one point. In this figure, line L and line M are meet at the point P. So, lines that meet at a common point are called intersecting lines. The common point where these lines meet is called the point of intersection. So, point P is intersecting point. Now, look at this pair of lines. Are these lines intersecting? From what you can see, they are not meeting at a point. But one of the property of a line says lines extend both directions. So, when these two lines are extended, they meet at a single point. Let us call this point as P. Two intersecting lines always meet at a point. So, lines that meet at a common point are called intersecting lines. So, here line L and line M are intersecting lines and P is called the point of intersection. Here line N and line M are intersect at the point A. Can you think of some examples for intersecting lines from your daily life? In real-time situations, you observe intersecting lines at road junctions, isn't it? In this picture, you can see roads are intersecting each other at junction. Here we have understood about intersecting lines. Now let us see what are non-intersecting lines. These lines are also called parallel lines. Lines which do not meet or lines which do not intersect are called parallel lines. Let's see line P and line Q. Here, even though extend, they are not meeting at each other. In this definition, we say lines which do not meet or lines which do not intersect are parallel lines. It's not a perfect definition. Let us see what is exactly the parallel lines are. In this figure, line P and line Q are parallel lines? No. These lines are not parallel lines. Let us understand the complete definition of parallel lines. Here, line C and line D are parallel to each other. Lines which are on the same plane and do not intersect are called parallel lines. Observe here, parallel lines do not have any common point in them. Can you think of some examples for parallel lines from your daily life? Think about roads running parallel or about train tracks. Yes, you can compare parallel lines with these two pictures. Now we are going to discuss about the topic transversal. What is a transversal? A line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. Now let we explain the same concept with the help of few diagrams over here. Now let's go with the first diagram. Here we have two lines L and M intersected by the third line, that is N, at two distinct points. Hence, N is a transversal to L and M. Now let's go with the second diagram. Here we have three lines, that is P, Q and R, intersected by fourth line, that is S, at three distinct points. Hence we can say that S is a transversal to P, Q and R. Now let's go with the third diagram. Here we have two lines A and B intersected by the line C. The point of intersection of C is the same as that of A and B. Hence, these three lines are intersecting lines, but none of these are transversal to the other. So, a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called as a transversal. In first diagram, N is a transversal to L and M. And in second diagram, S is a transversal to line P, Q and R. So dear children, today we discussed about intersecting lines, parallel lines and transversal. Lines that meet at a common point are called intersecting lines. Parallel lines. Lines which are on the same plane and do not intersect are called parallel lines. Transversal. A line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal.